Hello friends, in this video I am going to show you how you can make lemon rice. For this I have taken 1.5 cup of rice, which is a normal rice, and I am adding water to it. Rinse the water, and to this rice I am adding 3 cups of water. Just dip your finger in the water and it is double than that of rice. So sufficient water is there. Add salt as per your taste and add 3-4 drops of oil in it, such that the rice grains does not stick to each other after it gets cooked. And give it a mix. Add a glass of water to your pressure cooker. Then place the container. Cover it with the lid. And as I am making aloo parathas, so I have placed some potatoes on top of it so that the potatoes get cooked as well. Cool it for 10 to 15 minutes first. Rice cooked well. You can see the grains separated as well. As rice gets cooked, for tempering of lemon rice we use oil, and in oil we gonna add some turmeric powder, mustard seeds, asafoetida is optional, salt. Take care of salt as you are already added it while cooking the rice. Peanuts, 2 red chilies, split chickpea lentils, split dehusked black gram lentils, lemon and curry leaves. Let's get started. Cake of the rice comes out. Here we have to just crumble the rice. I have scrambled the rice with soft hand. You can see the grains. Pan is hot enough. I am adding vegetable oil to it. Just 1 teaspoon of vegetable oil. I am going to add some mustard seeds to it. As mustard seeds get crackled, I am going to add some asafoetida to it, and then some curry leaves, and then red chilies to it, and add all the remaining ingredients. Stir well. We have to roast all the ingredients. Until the peanuts get crackled and the whole atmosphere becomes aromatic. As you see, the lentils and peanuts change their color slightly. At this stage, we're gonna add turmeric powder. Turn off the flame first. Add some turmeric powder. We are adding it at last to maintain the color of the rice, and mix well. Squeeze a lemon, half lemon. Ensure you remove all the seeds from the lemon. Mix well, and at this stage I am gonna add little bit salt, as salt is already there in rice. Add a rice. Stir well. Here you can see the nice lemon color to the rice. Lemon rice is ready. You can add chopped coriander on top of it and then serve hot, adding some pomegranate seeds on it. Our lemon rice is ready. Please do share and subscribe it. Thanks for watching.